Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Share Tips. Today I came with a share for long-term purpose only. Those who are interested for a long-term view, only please invest in this share. This is a very prestigious company of India. It's a manufacturer of car. There is nothing else to name the company. I think all of you understand what is in my mind. The name of the company is Tata Motors. Normally we will value a share based on its EPS, PE ratio, the promoter's holdings, book value, etc. In some cases, there is no need to value a company like this, because when we value Tata Motors on the basis of EPS, PE ratio, etc., we can't able to invest in that share now, because there is nothing attractive in these shares for the time being. For if you look at the long-term view of the company, it is a must in one's portfolio, Tata Motors. So when 2017-2018 years, the company was trading at 500-600 rupees range. I know there are so many people who invested in Tata Motors in 2007-8 period and still holding the shares. By buying at the rate of 500-600 range, they are now holding the share at the rate of 1,136 rupees. I ask everyone to buy this share at this rate. You can buy double shares at this rate, so that you can able to average your share prices below 200 rupees. This is an ample opportunity for everyone who already invested in Tata Motors. So what happens to Tata Motors at 2007-2008 range? Simply, in 2008, the Tata Motors acquired Jaguar Land Rover from Ford Motors. Actually, Land Rover and Jaguar is a Britain-based company, and Ford acquired that company in 2005 or 6, something like that, and they sold this company to Tata Motors in the year of 2008. So when the Tata Motors purchased Jaguar and Land Rover in 2008, they have to spend a lot of money towards that in order to acquire these companies. So there is a rumor in the market that whether they can able to benefit from these investments, because they have to spend a lot of money towards this investment to acquire Jaguar and Land Rover. For that time being, in 2008, the people think that, the analysts think that it will be negative for the company, because the benefit of this acquisition will be available to the Tata Motors after 3 or 5 years, even after 10 years. Yes, that's the reason the share price of the company comes down to 200 level from 600 level. When people ask me in 2008 whether to buy in Tata Motors, I surely say that not. Please don't invest it, because we have to see what will happen in the future. If the benefit of this investment will come only after 10 years, why should we buy the shares in 2008? That's the question. So that is the ample reason for that. The share price of the company was hammered down from 500-600 level to 1,200 levels, and even in the period of Corona period, it even comes below 100 rupees. It was trading at 67-80 rupees in the range of March 2020. After that, it has recovered slowly, and now it is trading at 136 rupees. So now, what is happening to the Tata Motors? There is no need to look papers. There is no need to look any site. Not able to look. It is not necessary to look APS, PH. You just look into the roads. That is the best example I can able to give you, because I can able to give you a best example There's no need to look anything fundamental. Just by looking at our surroundings, we can able to select a good fundamental companies from the market. For example, I will give you, when 10 years back, 6-7 years back, when I go to Shabarimala, and our vehicle was halted in a temple. At that I happened to see that among the halted vehicles, 95% of the vehicle is from Force Motors, that is Tembo Travel and Tembo Tracks. The Tembo Travel and Tembo Tracks are manufactured by Force Motors. At that time, I identified that this company had a good chance. At that time, the share price of the company was only 400 rupees. Now it is, after giving bonuses, speech, etc., now the share price of Force Motors is 4,000 rupees. So we can able to pick the company from our surroundings itself. There is no necessary to look, ask anyone. We have to find out. We can able to find out so many shares from our market itself. So now you can look at the roads. Out of 10 vehicles, 6 vehicles are from Tata Motors. So they invested a huge amount in 2008, and now they are getting the benefit of that investment from last year onwards. In between them, Corona period comes. That's a matter. Anyway, the small commercial vehicles, Tiago is a favorite among the mid-cap, middle-range cars of India. And when we go to other space, it's a Tigor. And when we go to electrical space, Nexon is the #1 sale company in India when compared to electrical space. So electrical space is the next revolution which is coming to India. So in next revolution also, the Tata has found out a space in that segment also. So and last segment, Altros, it's also a very good company. So whatever they invested in 2008, they are going to reap the benefit from this year onwards. That is my great point. So that's why I am recommending this share. So if a person is like to invest 1 lakh rupees in a bank, and if he gets 6,000 rupees, he is happy. But if the same person invested 1 lakh rupees in a share market, he will expect 50% appreciation in a month of 3 months. This is a normal mistake most of the investors are doing now. So I am strongly believe that if you invested 1 lakh rupees in Tata Motors in 2020, within 2022 you will get 100% profit. That is 1 lakh profit you will get. Your money will be doubled from 1 lakh rupees to 2 lakh. This is the best time to buy a share. Whenever a company is going to revive, that's the time we have to find out that company and buy that share. Moreover, there's a news coming recently that the Tata Motors get order for supplying 6,500 vehicles, Tata Ace Motors, to Andhra Pradesh government. This is a news comes 2 days before. This news will reflect in the market within 2 days. So speculators or who are decided to invest in short term also consider Tata Motors for a range of 160 rupees in a 1 or 2 months. So I strongly believe that this will be a multi-bagger in future, and you are owning a great company, great management company, Tata Motors, Tata company, everyone knows that. So this is the best shares available in the market only for a long-term purpose. This is my personal view about the company, and you can consult your own advisor before buying the shares based on my recommendations. If all like my recommendation, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you.